Dear viewers, in this video I am going to share you the best book for beginners in the Indian stock market. I am Prosenjit Paul, authored a best-selling book and also actively investing in the stock market since 2010, achieved success. In one of my recent video, I have shared with proof how I have earned multiple crores from the stock market. You can check the video from here. The point is you are going to get the guidance from a person who is actually successful in the stock market. It's not like that I am just reading few books and then coming here to make a video. So let's start. The first book that I'll suggest is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. You know, this book is not directly related to the Indian stock market, but you'll be surprised to know that this book actually changed my life, and this is the only book for which I am into the active stock market investing. The most significant part about the book, the most significant learning, I can say that the major difference between rich and poor is that for rich, money works for them, but poor people works for money. So this line is very significant. You know, you need to decide whether money should work for you or you should work for money. So across the world, all the rich are rich today because money works for them. I won't go into much details about this book, but one thing is for sure that this book changed the life of many persons across the world, and I am also one of them. So I'll highly recommend this book before starting investing in the stock market. The next book that I'm going to share is How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market. You know, this book is written by me, but you know, I'm not recommending just because I have written the book. I'm recommending because this is the highest rated book in the Indian stock market written by any Indian author. You can check the reviews from Amazon or from Google, and you will find the maximum readers mentioned that this is the most easy to understand guide on Indian stock market. You know why? Actually, while I learned about the stock market, I read these best-selling books like One Up on a Wall Street, Intelligent Investors, written by the US authors, and I struggled a lot because those are very sophisticated English, and I used to sit with a dictionary to properly grab the concepts of that book. So while I was learned about the stock market, I made my mind that okay, I had struggled so much, my next generation shouldn't struggle that much to get the concept of the stock market. So that was the main purpose, that was the main aim of writing this book. This is why this book has got so much positive response among the reader, and most of that, and I'll also agree that you won't find an easier guide than this book. I have attempted to make the complex and vast subject like stock market as simple, as easy as possible, so that even a 12 pass guy can entirely get the concepts of the Indian stock market. So this is the second book I am recommending. I am not recommending, rather the maximum readers recommended that book. It's a little bit unfair to recommend my book to all of you guys. So you can check the review, you can check the content. There is another book summary. You will find that book summary over here, and after that you can decide about this book. The next book that I'll recommend is Masterclass with Super Investors. Suppose you are planning to learn cricket, you know, and you have an option, like you can either learn from Rahul Dravid, who is already an established cricketer, and you have another option to learn from a renowned cricket journalist who might have multiple degrees on cricket or on the sports. So whom do you choose? I'll surely choose for the Rahul Dravid because he is actually successful in cricket. So this book, Masterclass Super Investor, is actually the collection of interview, you can say the collection of investing style of topmost Indian investors like Ramdev Agarwal, Ramesh Dhamani, Bijay Kedia, and many others. These investors are actually successfully investing in the Indian stock market since many decades. So it's not like that the 5-10 year success story. They are successfully investing in this market since the last 20-30 years or even more than that. So I'm sure that there are a lot of insights to learn from them who are actually successful in the stock market. Unfortunately, Ramdev Agarwal, Bijay Kedia, or Ramesh Dhamani, they didn't write any book, but this book actually captures their investing styles, and this book is written in an interview format. You will feel like you are learning directly from these investors. So I'll highly recommend this book to learn about the Indian stock market. The next book that I'll recommend is The 5 Rules for Successful Stock Investing. You know, this is the most underrated book that I have ever read. In fact, you'll be surprised to know that the title of this book is not doing the justice of the content. The title mentions the 5 rules for successful investing, but the title, the 5 rules, are just a small part of this book. Apart from that, you will find the financial statement analysis like balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow analysis, management analysis, what to do, what not to do, valuation analysis, and a lot more. Even there is a detailed sectorial analysis in the same book. The 350 pages book covers a lot more about the stock market, but I was really surprised with the title. The title mentions the 5 rules, but it's a lot more than these 5 rules. And you know what? The only drawback that you can say about this book, that this book is written by an US author, Pat Dorsey, who is a famous fund manager, and you will find the examples maximum from the US stock market. But apart from that drawback, even in the Indian context, you can apply those principles, and in Indian context also, you will find that book highly beneficial for you. The next book is Bulls, Bear and Other Beasts, a story of Indian stock market. If you are interested in the Indian stock market investing, or if you want to make career in this field, then you should know the history of Indian stock market. And this book beautifully captures the Indian stock market history. You know, from all the crash, starting from crash to all the market peaks and all. While I was reading the book, sometimes I was getting a feeling that I am reading a movie script. So learning history is important because every major event follows a pattern, and if you learn the history of the last 20-30 years of the Indian stock market, you can connect the dots. You will find the patterns even in the coming days as well. So that's the 5th book that I recommend you for Indian stock market. After the books, I'll suggest to go through my fundamental analysis video tutorial series, because you know, in book the live demonstration is not possible in the text format. So in live demonstration covers how I actually do research, how to sort out the stocks. So in that video tutorial series, which is available in my website www.prosenjitpaul.com, you will find the live demonstration of screening. Like there are 5,000 plus stocks in the Indian stock market. Out of these 5,000 stocks, which one to sort out? So you'll get the screening with the free available tool in the internet itself. And after that, you'll analyze any company, the fundamental strength of any company within just 5 to 10 minutes with the help of a provided pre-formatted Excel sheet. And again, I am recommending because all the participants, those who participated in the course, all the members offered good reviews about the course. They also agreed that that's a very easy to understand video tutorial series. I'll recommend to go through it. You won't be disappointed for sure. In the next video, I'll share top books for experienced investors in the Indian stock market. Once the video is live, you will find the video link over here. Now, if you like this video, make sure to put on the like button, share it with your friends, family, in the WhatsApp, in social media, Twitter, Facebook, or wherever you want. And don't forget to put the comment in the comment box. Out of these 5 books, which are the books that you like the most? What are the key learnings? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe this channel at free of cost, because in this channel, I'll keep sharing multiple insightful video on the stock market totally free of cost. Unless you subscribe, you won't get my upcoming videos. So that's it as on today. Stay tuned. Happy investing.